Hey guys, welcome to the Superhero Toy Club. And today we're going to be unboxing Jurassic World Research Lab. Here I'll give you guys a closer look at what's going on. See, we have the little baby T-Rex. We have the research guy. And we're going to take it around and look at the back of the box. As you can see, you have the setup right there. Different instructions. Imaginext. What's next? Different features. Alright. And we're going to unbox it. Let's get to it, guys. So here it is, guys, unboxed. As you all can see. We're going to name this pretty looking dinosaur here Tony. And this will be Professor Dino for our unboxing review. Alright, let's get started. As you all can see right here, if we place Professor Dino right here, this is where he locked the gauge. He locked the dinosaur in place so he can perform his checkup. So let's lock him in place and let's start our checkup. Alright, next we place Professor Dino in the checkup station. He's going to check out our T-Rex friend Tony. Here you see we pull this lever right here. It lifts him up so that he may perform his checkup on Tony. Make sure those teeth are nice and clean. Whew, you might need a Tic Tac, but your teeth sure are shiny, Tony. Alright, that's it for our checkup. You see he got on his latex glove. Let's see what we got going on next. Guys, so that's it for our checkup on T-Rex Tony over there. So now we're going to go over to the decontamination chamber and we're going to get cleaned up. And to activate the decontamination chamber, you place Professor Dino in that slot and you spin the power field. Oh, look at him getting nice and clean. Nice and clean. There we go. I think you're good and decontaminated. Time to come out. Oh no, Professor Dino, look! You left the power pads unlocked. Now Tony can get out of there. What are we going to do? To our battle stations. Now. Guys, look. He's free. Where's the professor? Here I am. I've made it to our battle station. We only have one shot at this. We're going to have to make sure we get him. Uh-oh. What's going to happen? Is he going to get him? Glad I was able to get him with that non-lethal tranquilizer. That's just what Tony needed to hit the spot. Now let's get him back where he needs to be. Closing the power pad once again. There we are. Tony's safe where he needs to be. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing review. Thanks. Like and subscribe. Until next time, have a great day.